Oh.
Okay, here's your $2.
Okay. There's not. He's lying.
Okay, come on.
Not. Okay, open.
Did you get it?
Nope. I thought I had it. 1, 2. Wait, let me see.
Paco!
Oh, oops. Sorry. Here.
Hey, do you want?
One more time. I got it. I held it wrong. I'll hold it right this time. I'll hold it right this time. One time.
Okay, it's the last time.
Tooth Fairy will come tonight. Okay, one more time. You want the Tooth Fairy to come, right? Okay, open.
Hey, stop being a little whiner. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Did you get it? Good job! Wait, Keelan, come here. Keelan, come here.
Show Chelsea. Oh, I got your tooth. Look at Chelsea's taking a picture of it. Here, wait. Here, wait.
I can't. You gotta hold it against something dark. Paco. Cute. Keelan, come here real quick. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
What are you crying for? What are you crying for? It's nothing.
Okay, Keelan, show me your tooth.
Come here. You know how to make it stop? It's nothing. What are you doing? Come here. Put a little in your mouth and swish it around.
Okay, real quick, let me see your tooth.
Okay, swish. Okay, one more time.